Hey, in this quick Gmail tutorial I will show you two ways how to unsubscribe emails in Gmail Mail. What you have to do, open an email from which you want to unsubscribe from, let's choose this one as an example, and scroll all the way to the bottom, because here usually you'll find an unsubscribe button. I will show you this way first, then I will show you the second way, which in my opinion is way more efficient. So just press on that button and you'll be redirected to the website from which you are subscribed to. Would you like to opt out from this email notification? You will no longer receive this type of email. I just read what it said. Let's press on confirm and your settings have been updated. You have opted out of receiving these notifications from Facebook. Okay, now we can close this tab, and from now on you shouldn't receive notifications from Facebook or from the email to which you subscribed. But now I'll show you the second way, which in my opinion is way more efficient. So let's just copy the sender email address, copy the email address of the person who sent you that email, and now let's head to the settings and press on see all settings and choose filters and block addresses. I will show you this method because sometimes that button will not work and sometimes you will not locate an unsubscribe button. Once you are here, press on create a new filter. At from, paste the email which you just copied earlier. Alright, press on create filter and here select deleted and create filter. And what basically I did, I just created a filter and set it to delete all the new incoming emails from that email address. So this is how to unsubscribe from an email from newsletters on Gmail Mail. Thank you for watching and bye bye.